Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find all passwords in phone. Friends, if you forgot password of a app or a website, then you can very easily find the forgotten password. So to find the password, you need to open Google Chrome. Now here you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. Now here scroll it little down and you will find Google Password Manager. Press on it. Now here you will find password of all the apps and website which you have logged in. So to know the password of any website or app, you simply need to press on it. Here you need to enter the password of your mobile phone. So here it will show the username, and to see the password you simply need to press on the I button, and also you can copy the password by simply pressing on the copy icon. So friends, like this you can very easily find all password in your phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.